Hey everyone, this is me with the Mitzify Canada CEO, and this is my first collaboration of the bag. And this is the classic bag, the white classic bag, and I'm painting the unveiling logo. So this is my sketch, and I use my Posca marker pen here and my Angelus acrylic leather paints. So I do a lot of mixing for the skin tone, and the bag texture or the materials of this bag is very smooth and very fine. It is lighter bags, and there's so many pockets inside with two water bottle holder on the side of the bag, inside the bag. Again, painting faces in the bag is very challenging because I wanted to make the eye look so realistic, plus the lips and the the hair. And I tried a lot of mixing for the colors of the skin tone, and I arrived with this one. And because the reference photo is with the skin tone, the medium dark skin tone. So I find it easy for me to paint this bag because of the smooth materials, and my brushes is really preserved my brushes, and you can see I have a very fine brushes here, and it is very important to use fine brushes for details. So I started with the eyes, and it's not difficult, although I need to make it look so realistic, but I manage well. And the collaboration of the Mitzify Canada is very important to me because the company is affiliated to many charitable institutions here in Canada and in the Philippines. You can check it out, their website, mitzify.com, and when you purchase a product, 40% of the total purchase will go to the charity or foundation of your choice through canadahelps.org. It is really inspiring for me to paint and collaborate with the Mitzify Canada because of the noble idea of helping other people in need. So for my next video, I will show you the inside of the bags, because right now I'm painting the black classic bag. The color is black. I finished already the mustard color, the yellow color, so I will do another videos for that. For me, I'm really inspired painting these bags because I know that every time I finish one bag for a customer or a client of Mitzify Canada, I know that part of the proceeds of the sale will go to a person who is in need, or a family who are in need, or a mother or a child. So it is really inspiring for me. So this design is the limited edition. This is the unveiling logo, limited edition for the classic bag of Mitzify Canada. So I want you to check it out, the website mitzify.com, and check it out. Maybe you will find something for you, and everything or each item that you buy from Mitzify Canada, always remember that 40% will go to a charitable institution. So we are helping in our own simple way. So I do hope you enjoy watching my painting. Some of these are in detailed and in real time, and some are in time lapse, because it's a very long process and I don't want you to stay longer. And I know we have other things to watch, and so I do hope you enjoy, and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I will see you on your channel. Bye everyone.